Hi everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading Corporation. What we're showing you today, this is operating right now. It's about a 10 cubic foot, fully jacketed, double ribbon stainless steel blender. We're running right now, as I mentioned, and I'm going to roll this lather in so Jim can get your shot inside. Take a look at the blender. It has a, as you can see from underneath the blender, there's a small dump hood, which mounts over the dump grate you see right there, and is locked in place by the dogs right here, the little levers. And of course, it then hinges to the full cover, and it can be tilted either way. It's a nice small narrow blender, especially good for drying or cooling, any type of heat exchange. There is no visible rating on the jacket. However, most dimple jackets are good for 25 pressure PSI and up. We'll probably test it for 20 pounds, make sure there's no leaks in it. It does have a PVC gate valve or butterfly valve on the bottom. Has air purge seals on both ends. The seal does have a PVC external component with a Teflon gasket in between it. It's operating, it has a 3 horsepower gearhead motor that has a co-shaft RPM of about 190 RPM, and then of course it's chain sprocket drive, about a 5 to 1 or so. We haven't actually measured it for there. We're operating on 223 phase voltage right now. We have lots of blenders in this stock, ribbon blenders, double cone blenders, twin shell blenders, continuous blenders, and then of course different types of blenders you'll often see like cube blenders. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.